Good morning from the Nashville KOA. We made it. We're gonna take a little tour around camp. We'll show you all the sights, all the amenities, show you where we're camping. Before we get going, I wanna make sure that you hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button so you can see more of our RV tours, more of our family trips, more of our lifestyle content that we have, vacations and whatnot. So thanks for watching, and make sure you hit subscribe and like, and let's go on the tour. So when you drive in, this camp is really easy to get in and out of. They have a separate check-in area for your camper while you're getting all of your paperwork and checking in and getting your site. Let's pop inside the general store and see what it looks like. I've never been inside yet. So this KOA is the Nashville KOA Resort. It is located on Music Valley Drive on the northeast side of Nashville, and it's right across the street from the Opryland Hotel, which is a nice place to go visit. Oh, here is laundry. We paid $80 a night plus $10 a night for each kid. So that was $100 a night. So not the cheapest place you can stay, but it has some nice amenities, so we were willing to do it for spring break. A couple of other things to note about this KOA is, pretty standard check-in and check-out times. Check-in at 3 p.m., check-out by 11. There is a $10 cancellation fee if you cancel at least 2 days in advance. Since this KOA is in Nashville, the CMA Music Fest happens every summer, and so they have some special requirements for if you're coming to stay during that time frame. So check that out before you make your reservation. Make sure you know all the fine details. Let's keep going on our tour. So you can pull up and park your small car right in front and check in, or they have this large check-in area for your big rig. Good morning. Propane refill. Yeah, so pretty spacious, easy to get around in and out. Here are some more cabins. It's a pretty large campsite. There's a whole section over this way, but it's mostly just cabins and campsites, nothing additional. If you come this way, back towards our site, you've got some tent camping mixed in. Looks like the cabins come with a outdoor grill as well as the fire pits. It probably depends on the type of cabin that you get, what amenities they have. I haven't looked into the cabins because we're taking our RV. So here's the back side of the dog park. There's the slide, kind of over here is that side of it.
There's the pool off to the right, the jumping pillow, kind of that back end of the check-in area. Dog park. We did not need firewood. We didn't really end up using our fire pit, but it looks like they will deliver for you. Here is that amphitheater, so we're back, and there's our site straight ahead. We just had a straight drive in. That farthest left RV is ours. Man, look at how pretty it is. This is the favorite area for the kids. We have this earthworks play area, slide, fallen log, little amphitheater area. I'm gonna guess if you have like a group that comes, you can have your activities here. This is the back of the store and everything, where the pool area is. There's the pool. And then there is a small gym, bouncy pillow. Every KOA needs a bouncy pillow. Restrooms for the shower. There's even that building over there is an event hall, so if you have a large group, need to do activities, there you go. But some more lawn activities, chess, checkers, bowling, cornhole, some hammocks to chill and relax. I don't know, all of this. Pickleball. Is that bocce ball? Look, more campsites, pretty full. Have a little water feature over there. Some benches. They do have a shuttle that will take you into downtown Nashville. We have not done that because we brought our own car, but it is an option. And this KOA is on a strip of RVs, Camping World, campgrounds. So if you need anything, you're in the right place. If you need a part or some assistance. So here's the main drive in. Look at the flowers starting to bloom. And we're here. So we've just made a big loop.
Another cool feature we have seen at some of the bigger KOAs, KOA Holiday, is that they come and pick up your trash. So that's nice. You can just put it out the end of your site and they'll pick it up every morning.
Thought I'd just give you a quick shot of our setup. We actually have this end corner spot. We pulled straight in from that road right there. It was super easy in and probably easy out. This is our toad. We made it down here with that. We have this small little patio with chairs, and it comes with a fire ring. There are more elaborate sites like that one right across the street, which has a stone fire pit and some wooden chairs. This is our spot. Still have to figure out the best way to deal with the trailer, but that works for us for now. And here's this side, nothing fancy, just the hookups.
Well, that is it. Thanks guys for watching. As always, if you liked this video and if you'd like to see more like it, other campground tours and travel vlogs, please give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you know when the next time we post. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the road.